Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest insights on the best tech gadgets in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of photography with a spotlight on the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. If you're on the hunt for the best low-light camera from Canon, you've come to the right place. Now, let's get started by exploring what makes the Canon EOS Rebel T7 stand out in the crowded landscape of DSLR cameras. First and foremost, let's talk about its remarkable low-light performance. Equipped with a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and a wide ISO range of 100/6400, the Rebel T7 excels in capturing stunning images even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting indoors or in dimly lit environments. But that's not all. This camera delivers exceptional clarity and detail, making it the go-to choice for photographers who demand top-notch quality. One of the standout features of the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is its built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology. With just a few taps, you can easily transfer your photos and videos to your smartphone or tablet, allowing for seamless sharing on social media or instant editing on your favorite apps. Say goodbye to cumbersome cable connections. The Rebel T7 puts convenience right at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about autofocus. The Rebel T7 boasts a 9-point AF system and AI Servo AF, ensuring fast and accurate focusing on your subjects. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action or shooting portraits with shallow depth of field, you can trust this camera to keep your images tack sharp and in focus, every time. And for those who prefer the traditional shooting experience, the Rebel T7 features an optical viewfinder with approximately 95% viewing coverage. With its clear and bright display, you can compose your shots with confidence, knowing exactly what you'll capture before you press the shutter button. Plus, with a wide range of compatible lenses available, including the Canon EF and EFS series, you can easily customize your shooting setup to suit your creative vision. From versatile zoom lenses to fast prime lenses, the possibilities are endless with the Rebel T7. Now, let's shift our focus to the user experience. Many users have praised the Rebel T7 for its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned photographers alike. With its lightweight and ergonomic design, you can comfortably shoot for hours without fatigue, ensuring you never miss a moment. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what some of the users have to say about their experience with the Canon EOS Rebel T7. Customer: I'm so happy with this camera. The autofocus works great, and the colors are nice and bright. Even purple comes out well with this camera. With its impressive low-light performance, built-in connectivity, and user-friendly design, it's no wonder that the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is considered one of the best low-light cameras from Canon on the market today. That wraps up our review of the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting!